House, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
When you're starting them inside, is there anything like light-wise you have to be aware of, putting them on the windowsill, or is that going to bake it because it gets too hot right there by the glass?
Well, you're going to need to get it acclimated to the heat. If you're trying to start something right now, it's going to be going through the summer heat, and so you're going to need to give it what we call heavy light. So the first week or so of a sprout, it can be in the full darkness, and so we'll start things total darkness, let them sprout. And then as they start giving a little bit of light, we're going to put a light array within 2 inches of the top of the leaves. And we're going to keep a heavy light on those plants. And we'll just raise it up as it's growing if we're keeping it indoors. But what we like to do is we'll transplant it, or we'll transfer them into a garage where it's got a lot more of the same warmth as the outdoors has. And then we finish them off outdoors in full sun. So we want to transition them over time, give them some afternoon shade, maybe a little bit of shade cloth, but we're trying to transition them from growing indoors to growing outdoors. In order to do that, we got to give them a little bit at a time, that crazy summer heat that we get here in Arizona.
Rosie on the House, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.